यूरोप के भूमध्य सागर तट पे भी 30 मिलियन थे एंड 120 मिलियन बाकी सारे दुनिया में थे. So maximum concentration of population was only in the four belts, either along the Indus River Valley or Yangtze River Valley or Nile River Valley or the Mediterranean climate. I told you Mediterranean climate is very suitable for human habitation. So this was the overall distribution of the world. And by the way, if you need the growth pattern of population, in 1750 it was 790 million. 1750 it was, so industrial revolution. After this, population increased rapidly all over the world. So this is one very simple interpretation of the population growth rate, and rest of the data I will continue in the next class. But still you may write two more statistics, very simplified. They will give you the growth rate pattern of the world. So write, make 3 columns. One is the region, कौन सा region है, and second is the 1850 to 1850 से 1900 तक का growth rate, and the third is 1950 से 2000 तक का, 1950 से 2000. So they make 3 columns. Number 1, region number 1 is, you may write about the world. 1850 से 1900 तक वर्ल्ड का पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ रेट था 0.5%. दिस इज पर एनम, हर साल 0.5%. और 1950 से 2000 तक था 1.8%. Okay, now come over to Asia. 0.5% and 1.9%. Okay, world 0.5 and 1.8. Asia 0.5 and 1.9. Europe 0.7. देखिए एशिया से ज्यादा था यूरोप में. अभी मैं बात कर रहा था ना, यूरोप हैड मोर पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ रेट देन एशिया. तब उस टाइम एशिया डेमोग्राफिक प्री ट्रांजिशन फेज में था और यूरोप हैड 0.7%, बट बाद में ये घट के 0.6% पे आ गया. सेकंड, देन अफ्रीका 0.4% and it became 2.5%. North America 2.3%, और डेमोग्राफिक ट्रांजिशन को पार कर जाए तो कम हो जाएगा ना, 1.5%. लैटिन अमेरिका 1.3% and 2.8%. They entered in the demographic transition model. So every society passes through the different stages. So this is, and Oceania. Oceania was 1.6% to 1.8%. So in different, there is the differential growth rate. Earlier Europe was on the higher side, later it decreased tremendously. So same is Africa. If you take the 2015 growth rate, annual growth rate of Africa, it is almost 1.6 or 1.7, but it is up to 2000. This is the average of 50 years. So that's why it is 2.5%. आज लैटिन अमेरिका का ग्रोथ रेट 1.5% है, बट अराउंड up to 2000 it was 2.8, very alarming figure. So the gradually all over the world population growth rate is fluctuating and passing through the different stages. Yesterday I gave you the statistics of India about the birth rate, death rate, growth rate and population size. And I gave you the assignment to construct and depict this data on the graph in a graphical form. How many of you got the